Okay. So this is Toshiba P750 15-inch screen broken. The first thing is there's a 4 screw each corner, and there's a sticker top of the screws, so we just take this off like this and open the screws so we get the frame off. The next thing is take off the sides, so there is plastic clips. So we just put the nails here in the side and take it off carefully for the nails and the plastic parts. And you can use screwdriver if it don't come. A bit tight, but the screen is already broken, so it helps. Now the next step, there's a 6 tightening screws side of the screen. We take them off, and the camera cable is good to take now very carefully, like this. Okay. 1, 2. And it looks like it's easier if you loose up the hinge from the top cover, so then we get on these last screws. Oops. Other side is ready, and then same thing for the other side. And so. Okay, so the screen's loose now. Let's put some cover there and you see how it looks at the side. This cable is for the webcam. I think the best thing to get it off is with this tape. And this tape is very sticky. Like that. And this cable very careful with this because contactors are so thin. So that's it. And here's the new panel. So same thing, but opposite order. Avoid to touch these connectors by fingers. difficult, but it goes. This we put on when we get it upwards and right position. So. Okay, tight it up. All the 6 places. Or maybe it's the best thing. Put this first. It's not easy with the big fingers. What's there? Like this, all the 6 screws back in. Okay, now the last screw is on, so we tighten the hinges. And the camera cable is on. Should stay. And we put the cover on. And then the screws on. Start be ready. This was easy. Only tool what you need. The one. Okay. Now I put the battery on. And let's see what happens. Yes! It works.